the dishwasher. Yeah. All right, you ready? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, Allison, you are such a good helper.
She is a good helper. Look at that. Thank
Better
you.
use 2 hands. Use 2 hands.
2 hands, 2 hands.
Use both hands.
Oh.
Oh, now's the big ones. Use 2 hands.
Those are heavy.
There you go.
Oh, good job.
Oh, what a good helper you are. So strong.
Oh, good job. Oh, you want some help? Here you go. Oh, thank you.
Wow. Allison, you're such a good helper.
I know.
Wow, what a big girl you are.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Other parents, eat your heart out.
Thank you.
Check back after she's broken a couple.
Thank you.
Oh, last one.
That's so far away. How are you going to get it? How about this right here? All right. Woo-hoo!
Very good, Allison.
Yay! Good job.
Mommy, say thank you for helping.
Thank you so much. You're such a good helper. Yeah. Thank you. And cuts the time to unload the dishwasher in half.
Yeah.
So fast and strong. All right, you want to close it? You close it up now? Can you close it?
You close the door?
You close the door?
No, not in it.
All right, help me close it. Come on. Help me close. Oh, there you go. Watch your fingers.
Oh, wow. Very good, Allison. Yay!